To swap on Uniswap v2, you will need to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency and decentralized finance. The first step is to set up a digital wallet such as MetaMask and ensure it is funded with Ethereum. Next, connect your wallet to Uniswap v2 by going to the Uniswap website and clicking on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Select your wallet provider from the list of options and follow the prompts to complete the connection. Once your wallet is connected, navigate to the swap page by clicking on the Swap tab. Here you will be able to select the token you want to swap from and the token you want to swap to. You can search for tokens by name or address or select from a list of popular tokens. After selecting the tokens you want to swap, enter the amount of the token you want to swap from. The amount of the token you will receive will be automatically calculated based on the current market price. Before confirming the swap, review the details of the transaction, including the amount you will receive, the expected slippage, and the transaction fees. If everything looks correct, click the swap button to confirm the transaction. Your wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction and pay the required gas fees. Once the transaction is confirmed, it will be processed on the Ethereum blockchain and the swapped tokens will be added to your wallet. It is essential to be aware of the risks associated with swapping on Uniswap v2, including price volatility and smart contract risks. Always make sure to review the details of the transaction carefully and only swap tokens that you have thoroughly researched. Additionally, it is crucial to keep your wallet and transactions secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and successfully swap on Uniswap v2.